Hello dear learners. Today I have come up with a virtual lab presentation of chemical test of tragacanth. The experiment is to perform the chemical test for tragacanth. What are the different materials and chemicals required for the experiment? Those are the test tube stand, water bath for heating purpose, ferric chloride solution, copper oxide, concentrated ammonium hydroxide, iodine solution, Fehling solution, 5% aqueous potassium hydroxide solution and lead acetate. So let's study in details about the gum tragacanth. The synonyms is gum tragacanth, or it is also called as normal tragacanth. The biological source is the dried gummy exudation obtained from the incision from the stem and branches of Astragalus gummifer, Astragalus membranaceus and other species of Astragalus. Family is Leguminosae. The geographical source, it is usually found in Iran, Turkey, Iraq, Syria, also in India. In India, it is mainly found in Garhwal, Kumaon and Punjab. The description or the macroscopic character says that the color is white to pale yellowish. Odor, it doesn't have any odor, it is odorless. Taste is mucilaginous due to the presence of high amount of mucilage in it. Shape is, it is available in thin flattened ribbon like flakes. Size is less curved, it is around 25 into 12 into 2 mm in size. The gum is horny, translucent with transverse and longitudinal ridges. Fractures of drug is short. It is partly soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Here you can see I have given you two figures. One is the resin form of gum tragacanth and another one is the powdered form of gum tragacanth. Now let's focus on the cultivation and collection aspects of gum tragacanth. The shrubs of tragacanth are grown at an altitude of 1000 to 3000 meter and they are thorny. The gum is exuding out immediately after injury to the plants. That is mainly the stem part. So it is an unorganized drug. Tragacanth gum is formed as a result of transformation of the cell of pith and medullary rays into a gummy substance. The incisions are made on various parts of the stem. The fluid which oozes out is called as tragacanth and it is collected after the drying. Gum is usually irregular flattened flakes with ribbon-like appearance. It is collected in the month of April up to November every year. The standard says that foreign organic matter should not be more than 1%, sulfate ashes should not be more than 4% and the moisture content of the gum should not be more than 15%. What are the various chemical constituents? It contains two fractions. One is tragacanthine 8 that is present around 10% and it is usually water soluble. The other one is basorin that is present up to 60 to 70% and it is insoluble in water. Tragacanth contains 15% of methoxy group. It swells in water and is responsible for increasing the viscosity of any vehicle. 1% solution of tragacanth has around 250 centipoises viscosity. The products of hydrolysis of tragacanth are galacturonic acid, D-galactopyranose and arabinoramnose and D-xylopyranose. Now we come to the experimental part of the lab. You can see here I have given you the description of the different chemical tests performed for the identification of gum tragacanth. The first test says that you take tragacanth foil with freshly prepared 10% of ferric chloride solution. By doing so, you obtain a deep yellow precipitate which looks like this. Inference drawn is tragacanth is present. You dissolve tragacanth and precipitate of copper oxide in concentrated ammonium hydroxide. It again gives a white precipitate like this, then tragacanth is present. If you take tragacanth solution along with iodine solution, a intense reddish brown precipitate is obtained like this. The precipitate appears like this. then tragacanth is present. Next test is Fehling solution test. If you take the Fehling solution in gum tragacanth powder, it gives you a red color like this, intense red color. Then it says that the tragacanth is present. If you take drug solution and add lead acetate to it, white precipitate is obtained which looks like this. The inference drawn is that tragacanth is present in the solution. Tragacanth powder, if treated with 5% of potassium hydroxide, a coronary yellow color is obtained which looks exactly like this. It says that tragacanth is present. What are the different uses of tragacanth? It is used as a demulcent, emollient, thickening agent, suspending and emulsifying agent. Mucilage of tragacanth is used as a binding agent in tablets and excipient in the pills. The powder of tragacanth is used as an adhesive in lotions for the external use, in spermicidal jelly stabilizer in ice cream. What are the substitutes and adulteration used? Tragacanth gum of lower grade is used in textile industries and in the pickles. Citral gum and Sherji gum are the substitutes of gum tragacanth. With this, I come to an end to the presentation of my virtual lab. If you have any queries, please mail me at the given mail address, or you can also drop in a comment in the comment section of my YouTube channel. Thank you for listening to me and following my videos. Have a nice day ahead.